Do you struggle to find easy, fast, and delicious recipes for breakfast? Yeah, me too. But I have created and perfected this recipe and I'm so excited to share it with you. I told Nan that she should make some quiche a while ago and she tried them and she did not like them. So I'm very excited today to find out if it is Nan passable. Let's get into it. First, you're going to start the bacon, and while that is cooking on the stove, you're going to go ahead and get started on the quiche crust. You will need a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Usually I use olive or canola. 1/4 cup of water, and you are going to mix that vigorously until it's combined and a little bit thick. Then you're going to add salt to taste. Typically that's between 1/2 teaspoon to 1 teaspoon. 1 cup of flour. I have made it with whole wheat flour. It's just not the same, but you could do a 1/2 and 1/2 and it would be just perfect. After you're finished your crust, you're going to squish it down. It will cover the bottom of a pie plate, or it will make 6 mini loaves. After you've squished the crust down into your greased pans, you are going to start the egg mixture. Now, I have an egg allergy in my family, so we always use just egg. My mom will be using regular eggs today. As a general rule, every muffin that you are making will require 1 egg. So today, since we're making 6 loaves, we will be using 6 eggs. Add a 1/4 cup of milk of choice to that and some salt and pepper, and mix it vigorously until combined. You're going to evenly distribute all of those into the pans and pour the just egg in, and then top with whatever toppings you like. I've crumbled 2 slices of bacon and grated up carrot. I know grated carrot is like, this is gonna be good, but I promise it adds a really new dimension of sweetness and it sneaks in some veggies for you. Bake it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes or so for the mini muffins and about 45 for a full pie plate. Pull them out and they are ready to eat. So what did you think?
You're asking me?
Yeah. So Nan, what did you think?
I actually thought it was delicious because I was gonna save it for the week, but
Thank you so much for watching. We would love to hear your comments if you've tried it down below.
hey, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button for more content like this.
It really helps support our channel. Thank you very much.
Thanks, bye.